The internet is full of quick hacks to save you time and effort. But how can you tell if they're helpful or hazardous? What started as a tip to poach an egg in the microwave ended in a trip to the ER for one grandmother. Diane, the grandmother from the United Kingdom, tried to cook an egg in her microwave with a cooking hack that she found. Diane placed an egg in a mug of water, microwaved it for 60 seconds. When she took it out of the microwave, guess what? Boom, it exploded. The egg sprayed onto her face, her neck, her chest, and alarmingly, the corner of her eye. This caused severe burns.
That's scary. I never thought about that. And my 3.5-year-old, I have young kids. I use the microwave a little too much in my cooking, but I mean, they're using it too. His favorite thing is to program it. Now I'm not going to let him get near it.
But yeah, you're not supposed to put whole eggs in the microwave because of the pressure. And if you do the whole egg, it can explode. But you can do scrambled eggs. That's okay because with scrambled.
Gross.
I know someone who does that every day.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that do like scrambled eggs, and you can do like spinach and vegetables. It's really
make a little breakfast cup kind of thing. So have you seen injuries in the ER related to?
Yeah, well, I used to work at, I volunteer every now and then for a children's burn camp.
Right.
And I've seen a lot of microwave-related injuries, honestly. And it's more, in this case, more than exploding. You know, young kids and whatnot, they're using it, but then water gets super hot in a minute or two, and they go to grab it, and they spill ramen down their leg, and literally skin grafts and stuff. I've seen it. And it's super sad, because burn recovery is terrible. I mean, you guys know it's terrible.
And it's painful and dangerous.
They're great kids, but like what they had to go through, it's just like.
You want to do anything you can to avoid having to go through that process of dealing with burns and the rehab and everything that goes along with it. But I mean, the microwave is a dangerous device. I mean, it's great. We all use it, but you need to use caution. I mean, a phenomenon that's called superheating, it makes it so hot it may not even be boiling to appearance. It just looks like regular water or whatever, that it's not that hot, where in fact it's scalding and it will burn you.
Have you seen any like esophageal injuries from drinking it? I mean, any oral stuff? What have you seen?
Yeah, I've been pretty lucky with it. The stuff I've seen is more from kids, again, spilling it on themselves. If it's hot enough to burn your skin on the outside, you know, if they did try and drink that, 100%, that could wreck the inside
too. I mean, for adults like me, because I've 100 times I've grabbed the hot cup of soup or something. It's like, you know, spit it out.
Luckily, most adults spit it in time, so I've never had to intubate someone because of that, but I've seen pretty severe intraoral burns from sipping.
So be careful. Any doubts? Stick your finger in it, maybe wash your hands first and test it to see how hot it is.
Or you can use a thermometer.
It'll be hot enough to sterilize, don't worry about it.
And teach the kids that you have to be super vigilant.
How big of an egg was it, though? I mean, that's extensive damage. Was it like an ostrich egg? I mean, because then.
Well, I mean, it wouldn't have taken a lot. It's probably because it was the water too, probably. That it's the water that exploded, and she had pretty severe.
And it can spread out. You know, an egg's only this big, but it can spread to thin. Yeah, snake egg probably.
Well, this is exactly why we do our hack or whack segments, and clearly, this was a whack. Do not cook eggs in the microwave.
I want to see you under different circumstances.
Yes. So if you have a hack you want our opinion on, go to thedoctorstv.com, and we'd be super happy to discuss it for you. We want to save you a trip to the emergency room.